The importance of a final walkthrough and what to look for. I always start in the kitchen so I can start running the appliances while I'm walking the rest of the house. You're going to want to turn on the dishwasher, get it started, so you can check for leaking. Run every faucet, hot and cold water. And then also, make sure there's no leaking down below. We're going to turn on all of the burners. Make sure they get red hot and in working order. Start the oven. Microwave. And is the refrigerator cold? I also like to check all of the ceilings, make sure that there's no new water damage or stains that we haven't previously been aware of. And then also checking around all of the windowsills and down below by the baseboards. Sometimes there's furniture that's blocking the walls or near the baseboards, and you want to make sure that irrigation lines and systems aren't spraying towards a house and causing any moisture or damage down below. Out in the garage, you'll open the garage doors, make sure that there's no issues or concerns with the electronic components of it. And then also, if you have access to the irrigation system, run the irrigation system. Last but not least, flush all the toilets, run all the sinks in the bathrooms, and run the showers and baths as well. For a more detailed list of everything that you could possibly look for at your final walkthrough, read our latest blog post and reach out to us with any questions you may have.